When I have a free time, when I am off from work, children are off from school, this is a free time. Number one, remember, this is a ni'mah. This is a blessing. And I need to be grateful for that. Grateful for the time. Grateful for the fact I'm alive. And grateful for the fact I can take vacation. Not everybody can do that. There's people who cannot. I have seen those people. They don't. Maybe every 2 years they take a vacation. And some of them even 3. Subhanallah. Continuously working. Had to. So number one, this is a ni'mah. I have to feel this is a ni'mah. I am able to take time off. And then time is another ni'mah. Sayyidina Abdullah ibn Umar, he used to say, when you wake up in the morning, don't think you will live till the evening. When you wake up in the morning, don't you think you will live till the evening. وَإِذَا أَصْبَحْتَ فَلَا تَنْتَظِرِ الْمَسَاء وَإِذَا أَمْسَيْتَ فَلَا تَنْتَظِرِ الصَّبَاح. And when you go to bed or when night comes in, don't think you will see the morning. And take from your health or save your health to the days of sickness, and from your death from your life to the days of your death. What does that mean? And what does this has to do with vacation? The fact I am living is a ni'mah. What Sayyidina Abdullah ibn Umar was teaching us, that the moment I am living in right now, I don't know if I am going to be living till Salatul Isha, till another 2 hours. I don't. Nobody can say I know. Nobody can guarantee I am going to be living tonight or I'm going to be living tomorrow morning. None of us can say this about themselves or about anyone else. So the fact I have this time right now, this is a ni'mah. This is a blessing. We rarely think of it this way. And this blessing, 2 things. Allah will ask me about it, and I am supposed to be grateful. I am supposed to be grateful for this time.